The Australian little penguin, Eudyptula minor, also known as the fairy penguin, is the smallest penguin species in the world. Here's a detailed look at their characteristics and nature. Physical description: size, approximately 30 to 40 centimeters, 12 to 16 inches, tall, weighing around 1 to 1.5 kilograms, 2.2 to 3.3 pounds. Coloration: sleek blue-black plumage on the back and head, with a white underside. Their distinctive coloring provides camouflage, countershading while swimming. Adaptations: streamlined bodies for efficient swimming, with flippers for propulsion and waterproof feathers. Habitat and distribution range: found along southern Australia, including Victoria, notably Phillip Island, Tasmania, South Australia, and parts of New South Wales. Also present in New Zealand. Nesting sites: coastal areas, often nesting in burrows, rock crevices, or under vegetation to avoid predators and extreme weather. Behavior and diet: nocturnal habits: return to land at dusk to evade predators, a behavior celebrated in tourist attractions like Phillip Island's Penguin Parade. Diet: primarily small fish, e.g. anchovies, squid, and crustaceans. They hunt during daylight, diving up to 20 to 30 meters deep, holding their breath for approximately 2 minutes. Social structure: colonial breeders with complex vocalizations for mate-chick recognition. Loud braying calls are common at night. Breeding and lifespan: breeding season, typically August to February. Monogamous pairs often reunite annually. Nesting: lay 1 to 2 eggs in burrows. Both parents incubate eggs, 33 to 37 days, and feed chicks for 8 to 10 weeks. Lifespan: average 6 to 7 years in the wild, though some live up to 20 years under optimal conditions. Threats and conservation predators: introduced species, foxes, dogs, cats, and native birds, gulls, threaten eggs and chicks. At sea, seals and sharks pose risks. Human impacts: habitat destruction, pollution, oil spills, plastics, and climate change affecting prey availability. Conservation efforts: protected colonies, predator-proof fencing, habitat restoration, and public education. Classified as least concern globally, but some populations are vulnerable. Cultural significance: tourism. The Phillip Island Penguin Parade attracts 500,000 plus visitors annually, funding conservation but requiring careful management to minimize disturbance. Molting: annually shed feathers in a 2 to 3 week catastrophic molt, during which they remain ashore, fasting. Taxonomic note: recent studies suggest splitting the Australian population into Eudyptula novae hollandiae, distinct from New Zealand's Eudyptula minor, though this is still debated. The Australian little penguin is a resilient yet vulnerable species, embodying the delicate balance between wildlife and human activity.